Hi viewers, Born Shibaswap price prediction update forecast, latest technical analysis, last 24 hours 2% increase, rise, currently some short term facing selling pressure. Born Shibaswap stablecoin current technical indicator sentiment is the neutral position, overbought position, last 1 month 58 green days, price volatility 11.20%, 24-hour trading volume 5.85 million, market cap 385 million, market dominance 0.04%. 15 technical analysis indicators signaling is bullish signals and 12 signaling is bearish signals. Currently RSI, relative strength index momentum value, bone is overbought position 70.55, which indicate overbought position. Price will increase. Support levels 1.613542, 1.573120, 1.534507. Resistance levels 1.69427, 1.723705, and 1.765217. Bone Shibaswap forecast. Current technical indicators sentiment is neutral position, overbought position. Price will increase. Good investment, Bone Shibaswap. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel for more latest videos, update, forecast. Goodbye.